Let's see how to create the text behind the person effect in Inshot. It's a really cool effect that takes only a few minutes to incorporate into your video. The first step is to import your video into Inshot. As you can see, I have a video of a man walking. I want to add text behind him. The first step is to add text by clicking here and entering whatever text you like. From there, you may choose font, color, and other options. Adjust your text on screen by dragging the text whole video. Export the video by clicking here. Then return to the home page and click on New. Pick the video you just exported. Now select PIP option and click full screen, clicking here, and select cutout by clicking here. And here's the outcome. If you're new to the channel, please sure to subscribe for future tutorials. Thank you for viewing. See you in next video.